Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to randomly sort a data set in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a data. So simply select the cell and use the is equal to and use here the rand function. Okay, brackets open, bracket closed, and enter. Okay, copy this formula below the cell. I just paste here. Okay, then select the any cell here and right click of the mouse, and you can see here changes on this data, and click on the sort, and I just click on the smallest to largest. Check here the all data is sort. Same as again, I just right click on the any number and click on the sort and click on the largest to smallest. See the largest to smallest. Check here the data changes. So this is a way you can randomly sort your data in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.